Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start and make a banner. First of all, I will fix my this template design. So let's start. And now I will change this color. I will make it black. Make this black. And now I will sorry. I will change this color as red. As red and also its color will be the red and this color should be this stroke color should be the black. So how it look like? I think it's look very good. So now start. Now save this file and I'll export it as PNG format and replace it with the past. So now go to the new file. For the banner design, you have to take 1280 into 420 pixels. So take this template and create it. Here is our template. So I will change, first of all, I will change this color. I will change this color. So I have to, I take a rectangular tool over it and I will make it as gradient. Sorry, how it look like? No, I think this gradient is very good to see and um, which color will be the perfect here. So and it should be the sorry, I think this should be the white, more white. Okay, this gradient is very good to see, I think. So let it be fixed with the lock. And now, okay, sorry, I think here is a problem. uh, we see here there is a stroke. We have to remove stroke. Yeah, stroke is removed. So now I can lock. How it look like? I think it's look very good. So first of all, I will design here something. Sorry. So you can see here I made it. This color should be the red. Now, now stroke will be the 0, and I can copy it and how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. So now I will create sorry, it should be the 21 now, and you can see I make an address here. Then I think this two should be here. Okay, then I will make a topic here. Topic, it should be 36, 36. Then I will change this align it. You can see how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. Here you can see how to design a banner, and I will show you more things on the next class. And till then, all of this. Thank you all.